I've been waiting to tackle a big project like staining our deck for a while now, but honestly, I kept putting it off because I thought it would be messy and exhausting. That changed when Tilswall sent me their Alien 500 paint sprayer to try, and I finally got it done. Effortlessly. Right out of the box, everything was neatly packed and clearly labeled. The sprayer comes with the main unit, four interchangeable nozzles, a paint container, cleaning tools, and a viscosity cup. Setup was simple. Just twist on the paint container, attach the right nozzle, and you're ready to go. After thinning the stain to the recommended consistency, I poured it into the container, sealed it up, and adjusted the spray pattern. I went with the horizontal oval setting, which works perfectly for wide boards and smooth, even coverage. As soon as I started spraying, I could tell this was going to be different. The Alien 500 is super lightweight. The flow control is smooth and responsive, making it easy to apply just the right amount of stain. What I expected to be a full-day job turned into a stress-free afternoon. The coverage was even, the stain went on clean, and the final finish looked amazing. No streaks, no roller marks, just a freshly stained deck and a lot less effort than I imagined. If you've got a project waiting, the Tilswall Alien 500 makes it feel manageable, and honestly, a little fun. I'm glad I waited, because now I had the right tool to get it done right.